Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok login. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok login, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Then you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You will find TikTok here and you will click update. If you will find it, you can update your application, and if it's not working, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.